Alrighty, are we good? I think we're good. Alright. Let's see what this do. Official unboxing. Sakinamour, straight from Deutschland. Let's see what we got here. Oh. And word of advice, you know, if you're placing international orders, you might want to avoid doing that during the Mercury retrograde. I won't go into why, but yeah, just saying. All right, let's see. Hold now. Uh-oh. All right, let's do this another way. There you go. Okay. All right. What we got? Keep going. Good. Let's make that right on that circle. Mandala. All right. All right. All right. Oh, the box. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Okay. I enjoy when proprietors go that extra so-called unnecessary mile. It's not unnecessary. It means a lot. I haven't even opened it yet, and I'm just like, I wonder what else I'm about to buy from them. Just because of these extra touches. Okay, right? Like it's from a real shoe store. That's what's up. Planning for the future, huh? Alright. The box. The box, yeah. Alright. Here we go. Drum roll, please. Oh. Yeah, I've been waiting for this. Watching all these other boys do it. Careful. Alright, see if I can use this to do it. I do not want to mess up a single piece of this. Alright. See if it broke. Extra. Yeah. I'm the CEO. Is wrong. Yeah. Oh, I'm liking those. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. Okay. Yeah, you didn't have to do this, but I appreciate that you did. This is how you get repeat customers right here. For real. Here we go. Oh. Extra. I love it. How you gonna have to stop before you even get the whole thing open? Like watching a baby crown. Almost. I love the color. It's not white. Oh my goodness. Yeah. 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 Oh man. You serious? Check those out, y'all. I mean, right? Okay, that's enough showing that. Get this out. Left foot first, right? And yeah, this is exactly why I bought these, right? Because speaking with the CEO, telling them how I tend to dress, you know, sear walls, t-shirts, what to go with. Let's see how it works. Let's see. I like it. It's like I'm trying to figure this out. You know, requires thinking. I appreciate that. All right, come on now. I'm just too excited. Peace. All right, here we go. Dang. I love it. So lacy. Makes me think of how they used to do it back in the Renaissance with all the women, how they have to lace up all their stuff. You know. Yes, apologies for that, technical difficulties. But yeah, here we go. Yeah, Sakinamour. Go great with sear walls. I mean, they're exactly what I was looking for to go with these pants, because sneakers just don't do it, but they're still sneakers. Islam, BDI, right? So yeah, y'all, you know, get you some Sakinamours. They feel so comfortable. The leather is just like, wow. Yeah, his brother, he put in his time. He put in, this is love. This is love right here. So yeah, y'all. Sakinamour, SAKINAMOUR.com. Peace.